Hi everyone, welcome from Acumen Accounting. I know very well dealing with different clients, they always want you to pay a minimum tax on their personal income. And you can pay only 7.5% personal tax on the income of up to £50,000. Yes, that's correct. I'll share two examples with you where, as a director or the owner of the company, you will only pay 7.5% tax as a personal individual, and then the company will look after the tax whatever they pay. But as a person, as an individual, you will only pay 7.5% on income of up to £50,000. So now on your screen you can see plan 1. You can see that there is a director wages of £12,500. This is the personal allowance which every individual receive. So we just created this example. You can clearly see on the screen now, there's a personal allowance of £12,500. You decided to extract a wage as a director or as the owner of the company from your limited company. And then you have a £2,000 worth of allowance available for as a dividend. So now if you look at in the example, you see £14,500 is your subtotal of that income. And then if you take a dividend of up to £35,500, which is an ordinary rate where you only pay 7.5% tax. So if you add these two figures, you will see your income is £50,000 in this example. And you can see also on that small gray box where the tax is about up to £3,023. The reason I added the employee national insurance contribution, which is £360, is because this will be come off your payslip in the whole year. On £12,500, your personal allowance, you will pay a national insurance, which is employee NI, up to £360. And then you're taking a dividend income, and at the end of the self-assessment tax, when you fill your tax return, you will only pay £3,023 worth of tax as a director of the company, and your income is £50,000. Now I'll give you the plan 2, and in the plan 2 you can see some of the directors or some of the individual, they decided to they wanted to keep their employment or the income they take as a wages from the company below the national insurance threshold, and they will only take £9,516. So if you take £9,516, you can see that in the plan 2, which is on your screen now. You can see that, and then your tax-free dividend is £4,984. So again, if you add them, it's £14,500, and you take £35,500 as a dividend. In this example, your total income is £50,000. Because you decided to keep your income below the threshold of the national insurance contribution, you will not pay £360. You will only pay 7.5% tax on the dividend income, which is £2,663. So these two examples to clearly just give you some of a thought where you can see you will paying a very minimum tax if you use your calculations wisely. This is all legit calculations, and if you need expert advice and if you wanted to speak to somebody, just get in touch with us at acumenaccounting.co.uk. We have done so much work around these figures for so many of our clients, and if you think you haven't done this in the past, and you need to speak to somebody, just pick up a phone or just book a free appointment up to 60 minutes, and one of our team member will definitely help you. There are so many ways where we can save you tax, and the tax calculation is all different. It just, you need to get your head around and make sure you have applied all the allowances available. So in these two examples, as a personal tax, you will only pay 7.5% up to the income of £50,000. Of course, when the company make a profit, they will pay the corporation tax. That is a separate kind of tax calculation. But these dividends you can only take after tax whatever left in the company, then you can take a dividend income. And for example, if you're a husband or a wife or the partners, 50-50 partners in that company, you will have up to £100,000 income as a household income, and you will only pay 7.5% personal tax on your income of £100,000. And in total, it'll be just around, I would say, 5,600 something. It will come up to the calculations for as a household total income. So if you need to speak to us and discuss about your personal tax and personal calculations, just get in touch with us. Or if you want to ask any questions, just leave a comment at the bottom of this video and one of our team members will reply you. Thank you for listening, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.